Hi Airsofters, this is Aegis and I present to your attention 20 hours of Battlesim, the Zimbabwe contracts. The game scenario is a civil war in South Africa. I'll give you a bit of background for the purpose of game simulation. Conflict in Zimbabwe occurred for lack of government accord. The state had endured international isolation due to its declaration of independence by the white minority government, causing havoc on the state. An establishment of a common agreed-upon government had become the main priority of the Zimbabwe community. However, under Prime Minister Robert Mugabe's regime, the state had experienced human rights violations, hyperinflation and much violence. This caused protests, which led to Mugabe being overthrown from his position, to which an election was held, declaring the party to be won by ZANU-PF. Although Nelson Chamisa, the leader of the opposition party, contested this decision with the outcome still pending. The dispute between these parties is still ongoing to this day, involving US Congress for some sort of resolution. Back to the game. All commanders gathered at the headquarters to receive the first task.
We have one breakout in the fence, because this is too muddy. Our breakout, climb all the fences here, it's in situ. Now, there's electric wire.
Our squad was instructed to investigate enemy firing points in the left flank. I play in the Valiant African faction. Our main task is to steal boxes of ammo from the Americans. It won't be easy because we have to break into the town. We passed all the information to headquarters and received an order to return to base.
So, we're getting heavy contact around here.
Okay.
Zulu 2, Zulu 3.
Yeah, we're moving out to 7 here.
Zulu 5. I need you guys to move up and lock down this area so we can't sweep in. So we can't sweep in behind them. Stay in reserve.
Okay.
Dig all around. When I give the word, I want you to breach in here, secure the wall guard and lock down.
It's a pity that the Gopro doesn't film too well at night, and I won't be able to show the night phase of the game. There was a lot of action even in the morning. I managed to be in captivity.
State your name.
Aegis.
What group are you with?
01.
No, I mean Airsoft group. Airsoft group.
Yeah, Airsoft.
Yeah.
Parasites.
There you go.
After my captivity, I immediately went into battle. The enemies decided to attack our base. Our squad was ordered to take the right flank.
Which side, Mark? Your side? Roger that. Edgars.
Yeah.
In the back there, they're coming in the back.
Okay.
Hit 3 guys, lock it down. Roger that, Mark.
4.
Hit. Contact fire! Game!
Enemies took a couple shots and quiet down after. We've been waiting for them for a long time. As it turned out, the right flank was a distraction from the main skirmish, which took place on the other side, so we ran to help and immediately got ambushed.
Get!
After respawn, I went back, and the American faction was still near our base. I'll try to get through the bushes to get around them. It seems the enemy has moved away, but just in case need to scope out the forest.
Hit!
Hit!
Medic! Medic!
According to the rules, the first hit can be healed by any teammate by putting on a tourniquet.
Перехід теперь канал.
О, kurwa.
Another comrade had to be left to die. He's on the line of fire, but we will try to avenge him.
Ну що ви?
Making sure that the forest is clear, we return to the base to replenish ammunition and receive a new task. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.